issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County, Illinois, Pulaski County, Illinois, Western Johnson County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, Carlisle County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, Northeastern Mississippi County, Missouri, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cedar, moving east at 50 miles per hour. These storms downed numerous large trees and caused power outages as they moved through Cape Girardeau. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cobden around 3:10 p.m. Dongle around 3:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bardwell, Wickliffe, Karnak, Vienna, and Lovelessville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 2 and 17. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 43. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 11 and 21. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: Mississippi, Missouri, and the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Johnson, Pulaski, and Union, and the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard and Carlisle. A severe thunderstorm